If you're having trouble logging into Telegram, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account quickly. Whether you're not receiving a verification code, Telegram is stuck on connecting, or the app just won't let you sign in, these simple checks usually solve the problem fast. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about verification code issues, because this is one of the most common reasons people can't log in. If you're trying to sign in on your computer or another device, Telegram usually sends the code directly to your already active Telegram app on your phone instead of sending it by SMS right away. So the first thing you should do is open Telegram on your mobile device and check the official Telegram service chat. Look for the login code message there, because that's often where Telegram sends it. If you still don't see the code, double-check that you're using the correct phone number and that your mobile Telegram app is connected to the internet. Sometimes people wait for an SMS, but the code is actually sitting inside the app on another device. If you're already logged in somewhere else, that device may receive the code first, so check all your active Telegram sessions if needed. Now, if Telegram is stuck on the word connecting, that usually points to a network issue. The next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable, or if you're using Ethernet, confirm that your connection is working properly. You can test this by opening another website or app to see whether your internet is fine. If your connection is weak or dropping in and out, Telegram may not be able to complete the login process. Another very important fix is to disable proxies or VPNs. If you have a VPN turned on, or if Telegram is using a custom proxy, it can sometimes interfere with the connection and keep the app stuck. Open the Telegram desktop app, go into Settings, then find Advanced Settings and look for proxy options. Turn off any active proxy settings and temporarily disable your VPN as well. After that, restart Telegram and try logging in again. If it still doesn't work, the next thing to check is Telegram's server status. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. Telegram services may be having downtime or outages. To check this, open your browser and search for Telegram server status Downdetector. Then click the Downdetector result. If you see a spike in reports, that means other users are also having login problems, and the best solution may simply be to wait until the service is restored. This is a really useful step because it saves you time troubleshooting something that is actually a server-side issue. If Telegram is down, no amount of reinstalling or changing settings will help until the service comes back online. So to recap, if Telegram login is failing, first check the verification code inside the active app on your phone, then make sure your internet connection is stable, turn off VPNs and proxies, and finally check Telegram's server status on Downdetector. These 4 steps solve most login problems. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy fixes like this. And if you're still having trouble logging in, leave a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.